And now, WWE presents Clash of the Champions.
As Jacob Cass looks across the ring at the legend Booker T, what thoughts must be crossing his mind?
Well, for one, knowing Jacob Cass, I doubt he's intimidated. He should be, but this kid is very courageous. And secondly, Jacob knows how big of an opportunity it is to face a former WCW and World Heavyweight Champion in Booker T.
So you think Jacob Cass will win?
Now, wait a minute. I didn't say that. You know, honestly, if Cass can leave the ring in one piece, he should consider that a victory. Watch it! Watch out here! A face buster!
Jacob Cass looking to fly again.
No! Oh, no! That did it!
The sacrifice you must be willing to take to compete in the big leagues in the WWE is unreal. Booker T, of course, started with WCW in the early 90s as a member of Harlem Heat.
Boy, and if you think about tag teams in the mid-90s, Harlem Heat was probably the most dominant duo around. Oh, no!
An aggressive shot to the midsection.
Wow, what a drop kick! Oh, Booker felt all of that. Oh, no! Knocked into the middle of next week.
And thus far, it's been all Booker T.
Booker T's just so strong and quick. That's a difficult combination to deal with. Booker T acting on instinct right there. Oh my gosh!
Booker T one step ahead.
He used all his weight on that leg drop.
What should Jacob Cass be looking to do now, King?
I'm not sure there's anything he can do. They were very well matched going into this one. All he can hope for at this point is that his opponent makes a mistake.
Going top rope once more.
Whoa!
And he's getting out of there. Jacob Cass goes behind. Doing whatever it takes to win.
Ah!
Wow, how good is this guy? You can practically see the pain in his face right now, thanks to that tremendous move off the ropes.
And Booker gets stunned momentarily.
He drops the elbow. Jacob Cass making believers tonight with this performance.
Look, I've never doubted this young man's heart and tenacity, but this could be a watershed moment in his career. A rookie beating Booker T? That's unheard of.
What a move by Cass. 1, 2. And Booker just barely gets out.
Oh, this isn't good. Jacob Cass does it.
1, 2, 3. Jacob Cass wins. Do you believe in miracles?
And here comes his good friend and mentor, Rey Mysterio, to share the moment.
Right on, you did it, kid. That's right. I turned out the couch. Listen, would you mind sticking around for my match with Xenia?
Of course.
All right. Now get out of the ring, bro. I got work to do. Boss.
The wait is over. Rey Mysterio will take on John Cena for the World Heavyweight Championship.
Oh, this is going to be such a great match.
Tonight's been fantastic. It's been great seeing our legends in action. And I can't think of a better way to finish it off than with these two tremendous competitors.
Hey, Michael, it looks like the legends want to show their appreciation too. Hey, what the?
Oh, no, King. They're attacking Rey. King, what's going on? What are these men doing?
I don't know what's happening.
Well, Rey's out, and now Vader, Booker, Arn, and Animal surround Cena like a pack of jackals.
Oh, this is bad, Michael.
And look at Cena bring the fight.
Yeah, but it's 4-on-1. This is more than even John Cena can handle on his own.
Tell me right now, Cass, are you with me or against me?
I'm with you. What's the plan?
Shut up, kid, and start swinging.
I don't like the odds here for Cass and Cena.
No, not at all.
There's chaos at ringside. Hang on. Great reaction.
Don't think so.
King, this is bad. Jacob Cass is out cold and Cena's being clawed at like he's a piece of raw meat.
Yeah, can you believe this? Cena's actually fighting them off.
Yeah, but King, he's one man. Against these legends, he needs some help.
Yeah, now we're talking.
Cena and Nash, they're gonna do it, King. They're going to take out these invaders.
No! Oh, no!
What are they going to do now? Cena's not moving. Bodies are everywhere.
Yeah, Nash, supposedly our general manager, has unleashed these monsters on WWE.